The Kill Devil was created by Erin Williams for the Pegu Club in New York City. This drink combines a lot of in-the-know bartender favorites such as Chartreuse and Agricole Rum. It's a very nicely dressed up, elegant cocktail with a little tiki bar pyrotechnics, and it just nicely melds the world of like tiki kitsch and serious cocktailing. All right, in a glass, I'm gonna do 3 dashes of Angostura bitters, 1/4 ounce of rich Demerara syrup, 1/2 ounce of green chartreuse, and 2 ounces of Le Favorite Agricole Rum. Marius asked a very good question. Does it have to be Le Favorite Agricole Rum? I'm using Le Favorite because I have some, and that is what the cocktail was originally made with. When I'm making other people's cocktails, I like to try and find those products that they used so that it can taste as close to the original version as I can. But if you want to switch out the Agricole Rum for another brand, you can absolutely do that. Just make sure that it is the light Agricole Rum and not the Vue Agricole Rum. And then of course, even though Agricole Rum is very, similar, it will change the flavor of the cocktail a little bit when you change brand to brand. But it should work. Crack our first ice, crack our second ice, put some ice into our glass like so, and give it a whirl. Just give it a little strain here. And this is what we're gonna do. All right, we're gonna do a little pyrotechnics. This cocktail does not disappoint. We're gonna take a lime coin, like so, and we are going to squeeze the oils over the drink, like so. Originally, this was Wray and Nephew. I don't have Wray and Nephew, so I'm using Rum Fire, but we're using some Overproof Jamaican rum here, and we're gonna just put some on the peel, like so. Just make sure that your fire is out, and then give it a sip. Ooh, sweeter than I would have thought. It's nice. You get the rum agricole, and then you get all of those nice kind of molasses forward flavors from the sugar. The green chartreuse bringing in some really nice herbal flavor. It's a very, very strong and proofy. The Le Favorite that I used is 100 proof, so it's a little bit proofy, umphier. Yeah, I like this. This is a good cocktail. So there it is, guys. Bam, the Kill Devil.